Hi everyone, my name is Aqasha, and in today's video we are going to be doing the TikTok trend where you sew and embroider a canvas. So I already printed out an outline and I got my canvas at Target. This is what you're going to need: canvas, an outline, a needle, some paint and paintbrushes, and some string. So I'm going to use black and white string. I'm not even sure where my black string went. I think it fell in my car or something. So I'm going to go ahead and start, and then you guys will see what I'm doing.
Alright guys, so I didn't really know how to do this. I just kind of made an assumption off watching the TikTok. So I had this outline printed out. I kind of just folded it along the edge of the canvas. This is the paintbrush I'm going to be using, and then I went ahead and put some washi tape diagonally across my canvas because I'm just going to paint. So here is how I did that. Now in terms of paint, honestly I feel like acrylic is best for the canvas that I'm using, and it just dries way quicker than oil paint would. Acrylic can dry within minutes, whereas oil paint can take even a day. And watercolor I just think would be better for a paper like material, not for this canvas that I'm using. So I put the black paint on one side and I went ahead and painted that, and then I'm gonna go back and do the white after the black dries. And for my stencil, if you're trying to find out what to type in to look up a stencil, I literally just typed in embroidered line art outline or something, or embroidered line art on Google Images to get the photo that I wanted. There were so many nice styles, by the way, guys, so definitely look it up because there's a couple more that I want to try out just for fun. So now that the other side dried, I went ahead, peeled it off, and painted the rest white, and I made sure to get the edges, and this is just me cleaning up. Now it's all dry, went ahead, peeled it off, and that looks so nice. I don't know why, this is so satisfying to me. This is me trying to fill in the black spots with Sharpie, but the two blacks didn't match, if that makes sense. There were two different shades, so I stopped doing that, and then I went ahead and taped my stencil down my canvas. And then grab the needle and just start poking holes along the lines. And this will just help so that we can sew the string into the right spots later. I kind of messed up by forgetting to poke certain spots, so I had to go back and re-poke, and I kind of messed it up because now you can see little holes in my painting, I guess, but only from close up. So if you don't know how to get your string into the needle, definitely do what I just did here. You take a piece of paper, you fold it in half and put the string in the middle and squeeze it through your needle, and then this is how you tie a knot. Just kind of looped it around my finger and then pulled it through. I'm trying to show you guys how to do every little thing just in case you guys need it. So yeah, definitely if you can't get the string through the needle, because all the needles I had, the holes were too small, just use that little paper method. Learned that in elementary school, pretty useful. And this is just me cutting that little piece off the back. I wanted the back to be super clean, so then I just went in and out. So poked in through the back, pulled the string out, and then poked it back down, and then just come through again with the next hole, I guess, if that makes sense. And this is me getting distracted. And yeah, you just keep doing that. It's pretty repetitive. You just do that back and forth. And then I did that with the white string all along the black side. And then when I was done with that, I went ahead and did the white side with black string. And every time my string got stuck or something, I just went ahead and chopped it and tied a little knot. And here's how it looks. Cool. And I just cut enough string to go around the canvas. I wasn't measuring or anything. I just made sure to cut a lot. So, no biggie. If you run out, you can always cut more and just put it through the needle, but it's just better to, I guess, not have to take the break to do that. So this is just me going ahead and doing that again. So this is pretty repetitive, but at the same time, it's kind of soothing. So this is near the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Here's just the extra holes that I was telling you guys about. They're right there along the edge of the other ones that I made. That's my bad. And this is the finished product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any suggestions for the next video, comment them down below. And if you like this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and turn on your notification bell. I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.